Now, Rajya Sabha has been adjourned for the day after witnessing high voltage drama. This comes after the Rajya Sabha chairman Venkaiah Naidu suspended 8 unruly opposition MPs for heckling the deputy chairman yesterday. However, most of the suspended MPs did not leave the house and continued to obstruct house proceedings. 8 MPs have been suspended for the remaining part of the monsoon session, including TMC's Derek O'Brien and AAP's Sanjay Singh, for trying to heckle Rajya Sabha's deputy chairman Harivansh on Sunday. Angry over the suspension here, lawmakers are currently sitting on indefinite strike outside of the Gandhi statue in the Parliament complex. Naidu also rejected the no-confidence motion against the deputy chairman by the opposition, saying that this is not admissible under the rules. In fact, the opposition alleged that deputy chairman violated the parliamentary norms and also alleged that he didn't even try to build a consensus for the passage of the farm bills. He did not allow them to physically vote. He did not hear them at all.
Following members be suspended from the service of the House for a period of the remaining part of the current session of their unruly behavior, especially with the chair and their grossly disorder conduct, violation of the rules and etiquettes of the Rajya Sabha, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House and causing insult to the office of the deputy chairman yesterday. That is 2020. Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satov, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Sri Syed Nazir Hussain, Sri Ripin Bora, Ms. Dora Sen, Sri Elmaram Karim. All these people have been named by the minister, and those in favor will please raise their hands and say yes. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Thereafter, Sri Derek O'Brien, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Rajiv Satov, Sri K.K. Ragesh, Syed Nazir Hussain, Ripun Bora, Ms. Dora Sen, Elmaram Karim are suspended for the period of 1 week for the remaining part of the current session.
Now, the ruckus made by the opposition leaders and their suspension here has created quite a massive political storm. Let's take a listen to some of those reactions coming in on this story.
People are up in arms. On one hand, they have suspended 8 MPs. But the person who is basically responsible for the suspension of these MPs, no action has been taken. There was no discussion on the no confidence motion against him. The first thing that the chairman should have allowed was basically a discussion.
Whatever decision has been taken by the Honorable Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, it is a perfect example for others that they have to maintain parliamentary democracy as well as decorum, else they will be punished and they needed to be punished.
I condemn this kind of expulsion of the members of Rajya Sabha in such a brazen manner, in such a undemocratic manner, and again we will be protesting to restore the status quo ante of our honorable member of parliament in Rajya Sabha.
When these things happen, when the house was extended after 1 o'clock without the consensus of the house, the chair by himself extended the house because as per the prompt of the ruling party. And we said that you could have it the next day because if all the amendments are put to vote, it will take more time. House has to be adjourned before the Lok Sabha to sit. But they never listened. They wanted to rush up. And then they raised their voice.
हम लोग यहाँ धरने पर बैठे हैं, तब तक बैठे रहेंगे जब तक ये सरकार ये नहीं बताती कि कल क्यों बगैर वोटिंग के नंबर न होने के बावजूद लोकतंत्र और संविधान का गला घोट के ये कानून पास किया गया, किसान विरोधी काला कानून। सरकार के पास नंबर नहीं था, कल ये बिल गिर जाता हाउस में, लेकिन इन्होंने जबरदस्ती इसको पास किया।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.